Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In today's video we're going to fix a really annoying Windows issue. Task host is stopping background tasks. If you ever tried to shut down your PC and got stuck on this message, you are definitely not alone. It can slow things down, interrupt your workflow, and honestly it's just frustrating. In this video I'll show you exactly the steps that you need to take in order to fix this issue. The most important part is that actually this error is showing you from where it's coming the problem. So this is the path that you need to follow in order to fix this problem. So write it down, this path, which in my case is Microsoft Windows plug and play device and install reboot required. So this is the task actually that is causing all these issues. So what we actually do, we just go over search here and we type here task scheduler, and once you see the task scheduler you just click over it and then we click on the left over here, and as I mentioned you just have to follow that path that is showing the error itself. So we click over Microsoft in my case and then Windows, and over here you have to find, in my case again, plug and play. Here it is, plug and play, it's over here on the left. And here it is the task that is causing that issue. So what we actually do, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna disable it. So we click over disable, and normally this error message shouldn't show anymore when you do a restart or shutdown of the computer. In case that you see any problem when you use your computer, you can come again here and you can enable this task. But most of the cases it will not cause you any kind of issues on your computer. Regardless which path you have showing on your error, you just follow the path on the task scheduler, find the task that is causing that issue, disable that, do a restart of your computer, and you will be good to go. That's all that you have to do in order to fix this problem. I know that this probably isn't a workaround, but it's the best way. Trust me, there are a lot of crazy ideas over there on the internet how to fix this, but I believe this is the best one that we can do. Thanks for watching and please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.